Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new Cedar Creek Champagne. This is the 38 EFK 6 slide out fifth wheel with a front kitchen. We're going to take a few minutes to walk you through the inside and back out to the outside of this new fifth wheel. Alright guys, we're now up inside the new Cedar Creek Champagne 38 EFK. And this is the little brother to the Forest River Riverstone 39 FK model. So this has some similarities that you'll see here. But we're going to take a few minutes and run you around the inside of this new fifth wheel. And as you can see here, we are looking toward the front of the coach where the kitchen section is. The unit has a large residential refrigerator with the freezer on the bottom and the refrigerator part on top. Two slide outs up here in the kitchen. They are electric slides. You have the Furrion oven there with the built-in light, glass door, 3-burner stove top. They do a fantastic exhaust fan up here, which has the rain sensor and thermostat control. And there's also a little infinity light up there. Solid surface countertops, good size little island kitchen here. Has the 60-40 sink separation there with the matching covers, the high-rise pull-out spring faucet. Decent amount of storage and drawer space on both sides of the refrigerator there. Little LED backlighting up in there. Over on the other side here, we have a wine cooler down below. This one was ordered with the convection microwave in place of the traditional microwave. The unit also comes standard with dual pane windows, so you have 2 layers of glass, which is a nice feature to help with some sound deadening. Also helps with a little bit of moisture condensation issues you have when full timing in the winter. And just kind of helps with a little bit of insulation on the unit as well. I like how they kind of lit up the glass inside the crossbar up there. They have a nice crown molding up top. You can see the wood coloring in the wallboard there. You have 2 traditional RV chairs which do have seating in there. You can kind of look right out over your living room area, straight at your TV. Nice big flat screen TV, electric fireplace, DVD stereo system, everything right there. Now the sofas in the slides, you have 2 slides downstairs in the living room area also. These sofas do open up, they make into beds. And then down below you have your traditional power theater seating with USB charger and cup holders built in. Ceiling fan. Also, the unit comes standard with 2 15,000 BTU Whisper quiet air conditioners. So it's a much nicer air conditioning system. This particular one was ordered with 3, so you can do 3 as an option if you want. Traditional roller shades, which are day-night roller shades on the windows. You're seeing that in most of the high-end fifth wheels nowadays. There is a central vac and dustpan vac built into the lower step there. Like the little nightlight touch on the steps there, going up into the steps, or up into the kitchen area. Grab handles again going up and down the step area. Overall, a really pretty higher end coach. This used to be Cedar Creek's highest end coach until they came out with the Riverstone line. But it's still an amazing camper for a higher end unit. Another new feature that they started doing for these 2020 and a half versions is this new LCI screen, which actually, if you do the internet connection, will allow you to turn on and off your air conditioners, set your temperature from 100 miles away. You can do it right from your telephone. So if you're out and about running around town, you know, you can come back in here and kind of control a lot of these things, turn on and off lights, do all kinds of different stuff here. But this also tells you like your monitor, your lights, your awnings, all kinds of stuff by this digital control. Control your HVAC system all right here. Ceiling fan light switch here. This one was also ordered with the 200-watt solar panel. So you have your solar controller up in here as well. One of the sensors for the air conditioning system, so you can set the air conditioners for different temperatures. And you also have your fantastic fan control here in the hallway. There are some light controls here for ceiling lights and also dimmer switches to dim down some of the lights. Bathroom area right here. As you kind of enter into the camper from outside, it takes you straight toward the bathroom section. Nice solid surface countertop here. Pretty good sized medicine cabinet setup. Another fantastic fan in there. You got your skylight in there. Has the one-piece fiberglass shower with the seat built in down there. Three-piece sliding glass door. Porcelain foot flush toilet. They also changed the wallboard in this section of the coach in the bathroom area here just to give it a little different look. But plenty of cabinet space in here. This all opens up and you got plenty of room to kind of put your towels and washcloths and all that type of stuff down through here. So quite a bit of room in there. It's even got little coat hooks on the back wall back here. And then I like the fact that they did a sliding pocket door setup here. So you don't have to worry about swinging the door in or out when you're trying to get in and out of the bathroom section here. And over on the other side here, you got your electric outlet, fantastic fan controls, and the unit has an on-demand hot water heater, which I think is pretty cool so you don't run out of hot water there. And you've got a light switch down there, a little decorative towel holder there. Going back a little bit further, you have the bedroom area. And there's two slide outs in the bedroom section also. So your bed slides out. Plenty of cabinet space on the back wall there. And there's also a washer dryer I'll show you in that closet area right there. Plenty of floor space back here to maneuver around. But you have another slide out over here. So you have opposing slide outs in the bedroom, giving you quite a bit of room back here. Now this one was ordered without the carpet on the main floor back here. You can order it with carpet in the bedroom if you want. So that is available. Stackable washer dryer. Again, plenty of room on both sides of the bed. This is the king size bed. So you do have quite a bit of room, again, to maneuver around back here. This one was also ordered with the electric bedroom wall heater. That's become a pretty popular feature in the RV. So you have your traditional furnace, you got your fireplace, but then they also put an optional electric heater back here, which is basically about a 5,000 BTU space heater. The little lights above the bed, they have traditional lights up top there, LED lights, but then you have little directional reading lights. And I left one blue and one clear so you could kind of see what they look like there. But you hit the button twice, it's blue or white, whichever color you want to use it on. And the bed does raise up, so there is storage underneath of there, but there's also storage that you can get to without raising up the bed too. Cedar Creek is a all aluminum studded roof, wall, and floor construction. It's not a glued together laminated coach like most quick put together products. It's all hand built. So I would definitely check out the Cedar Creek construction video. I think you'll be really impressed with that part of it. They do a lot better construction on the body, in my opinion, than most brands on the market. And again, it's just kind of the little brother to the Riverstone version. But check it out. We're going to head on to the outside of the coach now and show you all the cool features outside. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of the coach. And as you can see here, we're looking on the awning side, door side of the coach. This one has 2 awnings on it. So almost the entire side of the camper is covered by awnings. Really like that feature there. Just kind of help keeping your campsite dry on the rainier days. There's also a TV spot out here. So if you want to watch TV outside, you got a little TV out here on a swing arm. The nicer MorRyde step just comes down, touches the ground, adjustable feet on it, quad step going in and out. I like how they kind of did a little personal touch there with the Cedar Creek logo engraved into it. Large folding entry handle. You'll also see some of your little stickers there, all that type of stuff. Over here, it'll give you a little more information as far as easy flex axle suspension that you see down there. The never adjust Dexter brakes. They use Dexter axles and stuff there. 17.5-inch H-rated tires. Kind of get to those specs when we get over there. The unit is also pre-wired and set up with the King Connect system, so you can do that as well. Over here on this side, you have one of the other speakers. You have actually 2 outdoor speakers. There is a spray port on the side of the coach here and an electric outlet. And you've got a storage area here. The central vac located right there. Again, you can use that out here and vacuum out your storage compartment. Electric outlet here. Kind of see around here a little bit. 2 30-pound propane tanks. There's also a propane hookup down below, so you can plug in like a portable grill or something like that outside if you want to. This one was also ordered with the slide-out awning covers. And you can see here the slide-out awning covers cover all the slide-outs when you order them except for this one right here, because the main awning would actually hit it if it was on there. So you get basically 5 of the 6 covered with slide toppers if you choose to do that feature. This one was ordered with the optional 5,500 watt Onan propane generator, which you're seeing in there. You'll also notice on the newer mid-year model change, the pen box is going to look a little different. This one was ordered with the standard RhinoFlex box. A lot of customers usually order it with the upgraded Trail Air pen box as well. So that is a feature that's available. Or you can always do the MorRyde version if you like the MorRyde better. There is an outside security light in between the slides up there. 6-point automatic hydraulic leveling jack system. And they use hydraulic because it is actually stronger and faster than the electric version. Battery compartment here. It comes with 2 batteries from Couch's RV Nation, but there is room to 4 if you want to do 4. Some little instructions on your jack controls there. Some basic specs on the camper here. This one was built 11/6 of 19, so it's new mid-year model change. 2 8,000-pound axles, plus you have hitch weight as well. The overall gross weight of the vehicle is 18,000 pounds. That's the most you can load the camper to, hitch weight and axle weight, before they say you're overloading it. Right here it tells you your dry weight, 14,924 pounds. Now the dry weight is your hitch weight and axle weight combined also. So you've got a few thousand pounds there to play with. Now you have your VIN number also located here, tire size, 215/75R, 17.5 H-rated tires, 123 PSI. Up here, you have your docking station with a lot of your controls and stuff here. So you have your battery disconnect, a light switch. There is a light inside there as well, too. The one switch works the front cap lights. There's a black tank flush, outside utility shower, bypasses for winterization purposes, all that type of stuff here. And also slide out on-off knobs. So you can actually control your slides or turn them off out here, override the control inside basically. So if you are set up somewhere permanently for a while, you shut them off here and nobody can accidentally turn them on from inside. Now here is a powered power cord reel that you basically just stick the end of the power cord in, and it's got a little push button there to roll it back up. Down below, some low point water drains and stuff down there. You also have your fresh tank drain, dump hose holder back underneath of there. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos on these new RVs as they come in. There you can see the on-demand water heater. I popped the cover off there just to kind of get you an idea what it looks like. But you do have an on-off power switch here too. So if you have an issue when you first get your coach, that could be a possibility of that switch being off. Again, detachable power cord plugs in right there. The unit is 50 amp service. Storage underneath of the bed from outside. The unit is also pre-wired for observation cameras and security camera system. So you actually have a spot on the back, a spot on each front running light section to point down the sides, and one over the entry door. Now, if you want to order the security camera feature, you can do that, or just put one backup camera or observation camera on it. That is a possibility as well. Ladder going up to the top. The washer dryer vent coming out the back there, the dryer vent. And then there's also a hitch on the back down there. All LED tail lights and running lights. The awnings also have LED lights down both sides. Again, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out CouchesRVNation.com, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks for checking us out, guys.